listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to Upptalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say Upptalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
And go to that PVW server and start doing the installation of the CPM. This is done and start doing the installation. CPM. Everything is installed in the Vault server only. We always communicate through Vault. When doing the installation, we need to give the Vault IP address and port number. Here one point I want to highlight. While doing the CPM installation, here there is a 2 points. You can read that. I'm not able to see that. No policy manager was previously installed. This is an update from a previous version of Policy Manager. As of now, we are doing, this is the first time CPM. We are just clicking. You can select as a no policy whenever you are already having that already CPM installed. That time we need to select as a second option. Give the Vault IP address and port number. Do you understand why we are giving the Vault IP address while doing the component installation? Just we are connecting all this to the Vault. Exactly. Synchronizing right. Exactly. Whatever the communication is happening between Vault only. For these components, we are always connecting through Vault only. Vault is a supreme bus for us. For these components, is the administrator coming under the gateway user? Gateway user having a full rights. Gateway user is nothing but it's an administrator. It's not. We can say like that, but it's not an administrator. But we cannot log in into that gateway user. But only thing is we can. Administration also is a part of the gateway user. Gateway user having full rights to get the credentials from the Vault. To get the credentials from the Vault, we can log in into that. It's just retrieving the passwords I know, retaining the password and helping to connect the server, connecting to this target user. There is a CPM. That is fine. That is a common error. Just click on next. Whenever you are seeing that error, don't worry. Once you're done, Is it done? It's done. Great. Open that services. There is a two default services which will be installed once we install the CPM. You can check what are those. We can remember what those two will do it. Open the services and type CPM Central. Maximize it. Password Manager and Central Policy Scanner. A Password Manager and Central Policy Manager. These two are the services. We're supposed to run it here. Whenever the Password Manager is not working, CPM is not working. You have seen right that health management. Have you opened any? Open that the PVA. Here you can see that the CPM and accounts discovery is there. Right. If it is green now, if it is in red, that means some one of the services or two services is stopping. Then we can go and check the services and start it again. Now it is two services is running. One thing open that services. The password manager is the purpose to rotating the password and changing the password on the scanner. Scanner is always scanning the accounts, whatever you are onboarded into the Cyber app, whatever accounts you are discovering into the Cyber app. These two are the important services. Always these two supposed to run it here. Whenever, and one more question which they may ask in the interview. Will you check the services whether services is running or not? You can check where we can check it. It is the services is stopping. What will happen? If these two services is not running, the CPM will not work. If CPM is not working, then we need to check whether services is running or not. First step, now we can go to the PVW console. Just add one echo. Go to that platform management. You can click on Windows and duplicate any one thing. You can type on 90 days, fin 90 days like that. You can keep it as RDP something. Days 9 is enough. Keep that Windows. Windows accounts will rotate 90 days. We can keep that comment. The below. New platform description. Windows accounts will rotate 90 days. We'll rotate the password at 90 days. At day. Sorry, we're creating the policies. No, we are just creating the platform. We're getting the platform. Now we are able to duplicate the platform. Earlier, we are not able to duplicate the platform because we didn't install the CPM. Right? That is the reason. Riemann, do you understand? Why are we not able to? Now we are able to duplicate the platform. Right. Now go to the accounts. Just click on Add Account. We're just adding the account. But we should give that account should be in the right. That is fine. You are already having AD address, right? You only created address. Have you remembered that address? AD group address. AD group. I think, what is the platform? Now select safe. We don't have any safe here. These are the default safe which we are getting. Create safe. We can create here also. New safe name we can give win. Win underscore fin. Finance or HR, whatever it is. Finance. Underscore. Underscore P. Underscore. Create safe. Select that and give that address. Active Directory. Or you can give that. You can give that domain name right. I think domain name. What was it? Ticket. Tickets.com something. Username, you can create your name. Password optional. Optional. Leave it. Leave it. Just that. Just set. Whenever you are doing the account. Account added successfully, right? Click on that account. We just added the account. Just today, only change it by the administration. If you want to change the password, you can change it. Just click on change. What will happen? The password is a random password. Yes, because we didn't give any password right. It will change. The password is marked for the change. It will change. It will change password. You don't know password also. If you want to see, you can see. And at the safe level, we need to give some permissions. We can able to see the password. Now you guys understand how to add the account right, and how to duplicate the platform, and how to create the shapes. The same way you can try for the Linux. The same way you can try for the databases. Here there are the three dots. Click on those three dots. What? Copy and edit, delete. If you want to delete, you can delete it. If you want to edit, you can edit. Yes, will this use this account? This account we can connect as a target user. Click on that. We are not giving any permissions for. We will give the permissions. Here I can see only on copy the password. But we need to want to connect these target user. We need to activate this connect button. Go to the policies. That of the second should be in the Active Directory. This is an active. Go to the session management. Here also, it should be active. Click on this. The first one require privilege. Activated. Click on arrow. It is activated. And you can click on the access control saves. Go to that access control saves. What are the permissions that we need to see? What is it? Click on that. Open that. Open that. Just double click on it. It will open, or it will open. Eat it then. What is the need? Save it. Because check that whether it is assigned to the CPM or not. And you can give the description also. The password will change for the 90 days. Whenever we want to add the accounts for the saves, you can add accounts for the saves. Open that. Because we didn't install the CPM, delete. No, why you want to delete? Keep it there. If you want that, you can add multiple accounts. Once we install the PSM, we can able to connect directly. For without PSM, there is no direct connection through CyberArk. CyberArk will not allow the direct connection because if you connect that RDP session will connect directly. There is no security here. Through PSM, we will have some security. We will have some monitoring mechanism. We will observe all these things. What are the activities is doing and everything. It is each and everything. It is recording and monitoring and auditing. Through PSM is always connect to the target user. We need to install the PSM next component. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@upptalk.com.